Two iconic smartphones. One from Apple, one from Samsung. Which one really delivers? On the left, Apple's ultimate flagship, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And on the right, Samsung's Galaxy A34 5G, offering awesome value and connectivity. Let's skip the hype and get to the real comparisons. Each feature category scores points, so you'll know exactly which phone leads the pack. The answer might surprise you. Okay, here's the mind map. We're going to compare these phones on price, performance, camera, battery life, display, durability and design, connectivity and storage, and finally, ecosystem and updates. So basically all the stuff that actually matters when you're shopping for a new phone in 2025. All right, first up, price. So iPhone 16 Pro Max, you know what? It's premium city. Like, no surprises here. The build is super slick, but you're paying a whole lot extra to get it. Honestly, the price tag might make you wince. Now, the Galaxy A34 5G, this is where value really shows up. Affordable for everything it packs in, media, 5G, decent camera. It's not going to break your budget. Not going to lie, resale value isn't as hot, and you're not getting that posh flagship status. But come on, for the price, that's tough to beat. So on price, it's not even close. Galaxy A34 easily takes this round. Performance. Okay, iPhone first. This thing's rumored to be packing Apple's A18 Pro chip. That's next-gen stuff. Crazy fast, super efficient, and if you're into gaming or heavy multitasking, wow, you're going to feel it. Graphics, AI, the whole deal, top-notch. Galaxy A34 5G. All right, we still get decent performance for daily stuff. Browsing, streaming, social apps. MediaTek's chip holds up, but if you try anything intense, like games, video editing, it kind of struggles. You get some pauses. So in sheer power and smoothness, iPhone 16 Pro Max kind of leaves the A34 in the dust here. Camera time. So iPhone 16 Pro Max. Oh, this is exciting. It's got that 48 megapixel main sensor, there's ProRAW, advanced telephoto and ultra-wide, plus a night mode powered by AI. If you're the type to post pro-level photos on IG, honestly, this phone is a dream. Now, the Galaxy A34, not too shabby. It's got a triple cam, there's OIS, so shaky hands are forgiven, and the main sensor is actually 48 megapixels, which is pretty cool at this price. But advanced zoom and that magic low light stuff, it's just regular. So for sheer camera magic, Apple's got it. iPhone 16 Pro Max wins here. Oh, and here's something cool before we keep going. Did you know the Galaxy A34 can survive being underwater for up to 30 minutes at 1 meter deep? That's actually IP67 protection. So, yeah, pretty awesome for those accidental pool drops. Battery life, always a big one. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, it's optimized. Big time. Battery management's tight, and you get both fast and wireless charging. But just a heads up, all those pro features, they can eat battery quick if you're maxing things out. Now, Galaxy A34 5G, okay, wow. A massive 5,000 milliamp hour cell. It can legit push 2 days for some users. Adaptive battery helps too. Charging isn't as fast, and no wireless option, which is kind of meh. But on longevity alone, A34's a beast, and for price, you gotta appreciate it. Still, with all the extras and charging perks, iPhone squeaks ahead here. Display time. iPhone 16 Pro Max first. We're talking 120Hz ProMotion, OLED, super bright, always on display. Plus, the funky dynamic island thing, colors are wow. And it's just so smooth. Galaxy A34, not gonna ignore this. Super AMOLED, 120Hz, 1000 nits brightness. Everything you watch or scroll through looks sharp and vivid, even outside. But there's a bit less peak brightness. And yeah, the bezels are thicker than the iPhone's edge-to-edge look. So, display is awesome on both, but iPhone's just a step ahead in quality and max brightness, durability and design. iPhone's rocking that titanium and ceramic build. That's like luxury watch territory, seriously. It's IP68 water resistant too, so you can be a little less precious if it gets wet. Downside? It's kinda heavy. Your hands will notice. Galaxy A34 steps up with IP67 water and dust resistance, which is still good. The design is pretty fun. Lots of color options, great if you want something bold. But yeah, polycarbonate rear does feel just a bit, ordinary next to the iPhone's ritzy finish. If you want premium, iPhone 16 Pro Max is your pick here. Connectivity and storage. Apple first goes all in. You've got Wi-Fi 6E/7, ultra-wideband, and even satellite SOS. Storage can go up to a crazy 1 terabyte. So tons of room, but no expandable micro SD, keep in mind. Galaxy A34, though, is super practical. Dual SIM, 5G, expandable via micro SD up to 1 terabyte, plus all your basics, NFC, Bluetooth, wireless payments. Speeds aren't as fast overall, and no satellite stuff, so it's solid, just not as future-proof. Still, the winner here is iPhone, especially for the high-tech perks. Ecosystem and updates. Apple's got that whole world: Mac, Watch, iPad, AirDrop, you name it. Everything connects, and you get updates for years, like no stressing about being left behind. Downside, though? You're locked in. Galaxy A34. Okay, Samsung offers 4 years of OS and 5 years of security updates, and it honestly plays nice with Android and Windows. It's flexible, not as locked up. But let's be real. Apple's update game and ecosystem are just tighter and more premium. iPhone wins again here. Here's a quick look at how these phones stack up against each other in all those categories. A little visual rundown just to keep it super clear. So here's my take. If you want absolute premium, like crazy performance, insane camera tech, and super luxe design, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is totally the one to beat. But if you just want a great phone at an affordable price with solid battery and storage you can actually expand, the Galaxy A34 5G seriously brings a ton of value. Power users and camera nerds, go iPhone. Savvy shoppers, Galaxy is calling your name. Found this comparison useful? Save or share for your next upgrade. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the next.